हेलो स्टूडेंट, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको वीमेंस एजुकेशन रिटन बाय डॉक्टर सर्वपल्लवी राधाकृष्णन के कॉम्प्रिहेंशन क्वेश्चन के बारे में बताएंगे। फर्स्ट है कंपैशन, दया इज द क्वालिटी विच इज मोर से लेकर के एनिमल्स नर पशु नॉट मोर देन दैट। इम्पोर्टेंट है क्वेश्चन है। फर्स्ट, हाउ इज देयर ए डिक्लाइन ऑफ वीमेनहुड? Answer: there is decline of womanhood because of decline in compassion. Question second, which is the natural quality of a woman? Answer: compassion is the natural quality of a woman. Question third, which three qualities are essential for every human being? Answer: the three qualities which are essential for every human being are considerateness, kindness and compassion. Question, when does a human being degenerate into merely a human animal? Answer, without the quality of considerateness, kindness and compassion, a human being is only a human animal. नेक्स्ट पैरा है, देयर इज फेमस वर्स विच से लेकर के दमा दान दया। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, व्हाट आर द टू फ्रूट्स ऑफ इनिमिटेबल क्वालिटी? Answer, the study of our great classics and the sharing of ideas with great minds are the two fruits of inimitable quality. Question second, what is the author anxious for? Answer, the author is anxious for the study of our great classics and the study of the classics of all countries of which we are the inheritors. Question third, what is the question raised in an Upanishad? Answer, the question raised in an Upanishad is what constitutes the essence of the good life. Question 4, what did the teacher explain? Answer, the teacher explained that dam, dan, daya were the essence of good life. Inimitable means better than any other. श्रेष्ठ. Inheritors means उत्तराधिकारी. Constitute means मेक्स निर्माण करता है, बनाता है. क्लासिक्स मीन्स उच्च कोटि के ग्रंथ. एसेंस मीन्स तत्व. नेक्स्ट है, व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट एजुकेशन से लेकर के सेंचुरीज बी नेग्लेक्टेड अवर वीमेन फॉल्क. इम्पॉर्टेंट है. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, नेम द सब्जेक्ट विच गिव अस नॉलेज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. आंसर, साइंस, हिस्ट्री एंड जियोग्राफी आर द सब्जेक्ट विच गिव्स अस नॉलेज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सेकेंड, what is the use of technical skill? Answer, the use of technical skill is that it enables us to earn our livelihood. Question third, what are the objects of education given in this passage? Answer, the object of education given in this passage are knowledge of the world and technical skill. Question, what has been our behavior to our women folk for some centuries? Answer, for some centuries our behavior to our women folk has been that of neglect. Women folk means स्त्री जाति. livelihood means जीविका. neglect means अवहेलना, उपेक्षा. नेक्स्ट है, इन एंशियंट टाइम से लेकर के women are coming into their own. इम्पोर्टेंट है. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, हाउ डू यू नो दैट आवर women had a high place in ancient India? Answer, we know that our women had a high place in ancient India because they were entitled to Upnayana, to a study of the Vedas and to the chanting of the Gayatri Jap. Question second, what show the decay of our civilization? Answer, dependence of women shows the decay of our civilization. Question third, what revolution has been effected in our country after independence? Third, the revolution after independence has been in the improvement of the condition of women in India. Question 4, who has contributed most to bring about this revolution? Fourth answer, Mahatma Gandhi has contributed most to bring about this revolution. डिके मीन्स पतन, रिवोल्यूशन मीन्स क्रांति, इंडिपेंडेंस मीन्स स्वतंत्रता, हैज कंट्रीब्यूटेड मीन्स योगदान दिया है. क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेनेशन फिफ्थ, para. It is it is it is said that Vidya gives you विवेक से लेकर के of the present generation. Question first. What is the function of Vimarsh Rupni Vidya in our life? Answer. Vimarsh Rupni Vidya gives us the sense of what is right and helps us to avoid what is wrong. Second question. What do we get from Vidya? Answer. We get Vidya from Viveka from Vidya. Question. What should we try to find out? Answer. We should try to find out what is required of us in this generation. Question 4. What may not hold good today? Answer. A centuries-old purpose may not hold good today. Next है you must have दम और सेल्फ कंट्रोल रेस्टोरेंट से लेकर के we have to conduct ourselves. Question 5. Which is the mark of human being? Answer. दम, सेल्फ कंट्रोल और रेस्टोरेंट is the mark of human beings. Second, find out the name of a famous religious epic given in this passage. Answer. It is the Ramayana. Question 3. Who speaks the word "Go my dear"? Answer. These words have been said by Lakshman's mother Sumitra. Question 4. What do the old thrilling stories give us? Answer. The old thrilling stories gives us great moral strength. They also give us the direction on which we have to conduct ourselves. Next है in ancient times our women से लेकर के subjection of women and women are coming into their own तक important है. Question first. What place did our women occupy in ancient India? Give example. Answer. Our women occupied a respectable place in ancient India. For example, they were entitled to Upnayan ceremony, the study of Vedas and chanting of the Gayatri Jap. Question second. What account for the decay of our civilization according to S. Radhakrishnan? Answer. According to Radhakrishnan, the cause of our civilization is the subjection of women. Question third. What did Mahatma Gandhi do to bring about a revolution in our society after independence? Answer. Third, Mahatma Gandhi effected a revolution for the progress of women after independence of India. Question 4. What is meant by the statement women are coming into their own? Answer. This statement means that the women are progressing in India. Question 5. Why did our civilization cease to make progress? Answer. Our civilization ceased to make progress because of the subjection of our women. Question. How can it be said that women of ancient India were well educated? Answer. The women of ancient India were well educated because they studied the Vedas. Next stanza है in this imperfect world संसारा there are two fruits of inimitable quality से लेकर के अयोध्या go my dear important है. Question. Why does the author recommended the study of great classics? Answer. The author recommends the study of great classics because they mold man's mind and hearts. Question second. What is meant by the expression inimitable fruits? What are they? Answer. It means excellent virtues. They are the study of our classics and communion with great minds. Question third. What is meant by the word dam, dan and daya? What is their significance in human life? Answer. Dam means self-control, dan means charity, daya means mercy. Question 4. What did Lakshman's mother tell him when he was almost ready to leave for the forest? Answer. Lakshman's mother told him to look upon Ram as his father, Dasrath to look upon Sita as his mother, and to look upon the forest as Ayodhya. Thanks. Best of luck.